All right, first of all, this should be number 30. I'm not sure what happened to the numbering. But we're finding the center and radius of the circle, and then we're graphing it. So this is in general form. What we want to do here is we want to group it to complete the square. So we're going to put the x terms together, x squared minus 10x. And I'm going to be completing the square, which means I'm going to be adding something here, so I'm going to say plus blank. Then we're going to group the y terms together, y squared minus 2y. Okay, and again, plus blank. And then the 17, I'm going to subtract it from both sides. So I get my constant on one side, so negative 17. Okay, next thing you're going to do is complete the square step, which is b over 2 squared. B is the term with your singular x or y. So negative 10 and negative 2. So you're going to go here, negative 10 over 2 squared. That's going to be negative 5 squared, 25. So that goes right here. And you're also going to add it over to this side, because what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Okay, negative 2 over 2 squared. That's going to be a negative 1 squared, which is going to give you positive 1. Okay, so this will be a 1 and plus 1 here. Okay, next thing that we want to do is we want to factor. Okay, so factoring this, it should be a perfect square trinomial. 5 times 5 is 25. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Negative 5 minus 5, 10. Negative 10. So x minus 5 squared. This is going to factor negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1, negative 1 minus 1, 2. So this is going to be y minus 1 squared. And then let's add these together. Negative 17 plus 25 plus 1. That'll give us 9. Okay, now this is in standard form. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So our h here is going to be a positive 5. Okay, when I pull that out, x minus h, so I'm just pulling the 5 out. My k is 1, and then my radius is the square root of 9, so 3. So when I graph this, let's see, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. And then with my radius, I'm just going to go in all directions 3. So 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 2, 3 to the right, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, I don't know, like there. Okay. And then you draw your circle. And then hopefully your drawing skills are a little bit better than mine.